So we've added a number of different views across grid view, Kanban view, and calendar. And now it's time to collaborate with our team. Now we're working closely together on a number of different projects to collaborate. And for our fifth and final step here today, we're going to dive in and talk through ways that we can actually create transparency across the information that we're working on. The best way to really kick off collaboration and get that transparency is to define ownership. And so I'm going to go ahead and insert a new field here and call this an owner field. Now, introducing a new field type called a collaborator field type, this allows you to actually add a specific collaborator within your base to the record or the specific project that you're working on. Once they've been added, they'll be notified that they've been added to that record. Let's save this. Now, selecting this dropdown, we should see a couple of the collaborators in this space. Myself and Aaron. Now, Aaron and I work very closely together on a number of different projects, so I'll just add him now to the projects that he worked on. I also am working on this project right now, but our colleague Sohail needs to be added to this base. So in order to do that, we've got to add him by selecting the Share button in the top right corner. Now, this opens up the Share dialog. First question you want to ask yourself is, what is the right level of access to give my teammate? When you open this dropdown here, you have a number of options to select. If you'd like them to fully configure and edit the base, adding tables, adding new fields, then creator level access may be the right choice. If you'd like them to edit records and views, but not actually configure and build out the base, editor level access may be a great pick. If you'd like them to just read the information, get transparency into what's going on, but not be able to make any changes, then I'd select read only. In this case, I'm going to give creator level access and then type in Sohail's email. I can also invite by a link if I'd like, but in this case, we'll just type in his email. Send that invite along, and I can now see that Sohail is a base collaborator. I also see I have 3 collaborators who can see this base when they sign in. When I select this dropdown, I now see Sohail as an option, and it's now clear who is owning which project. Because I now have an owner field, I can group by owner, and it's very clear who is taking on which project.